Every day, we use countless products that we take for granted, from automobiles to household appliances. But have you ever stopped to think about the materials that make these products possible? One such material is 1144, Stressproof Steel. 1144 steel, also known as Stressproof Steel, is a type of carbon steel that has been processed in a way that makes it incredibly strong and resistant to stress. This steel is named after its ability to withstand stress without breaking or deforming. The stress-proof process involves subjecting the steel to a controlled amount of cold deformation, which increases its tensile strength and makes it less susceptible to fatigue and stress cracking. This makes it ideal for use in applications where strength and durability are critical. 1144. Steel bars are often used in the manufacturing of shafts, axles, gears, and other mechanical components. Because of its high strength and durability, stress-proof steel is also used in the construction of machinery, tools, and equipment that are subject to heavy wear and tear. But what sets Forte Precision Metals apart is our precision centerless grinding service. Our team of experts can grind your 1144 steel bars to your exact specifications, ensuring a high-quality finish that meets your unique requirements. For more information about 1144 stress-proof steel and our centerless grinding service, visit our website today.